Join me as I dive into the world of plumbing and challenge myself to learn everything it takes to become a certified plumber in just 1 week. Plumbing is one of those careers that's always in demand, but often goes unnoticed. We rely on plumbers to keep our water flowing, our toilets flushing, and our homes safe from water damage. Yet, many people don't give much thought to what it takes to become a plumber. Some folks might view plumbing as a low-skill job, something that requires little more than a wrench and some elbow grease. But the truth is, plumbing is a complex trade that requires a deep understanding of pipes, fixtures, and local building codes. Aspiring plumbers often face skepticism from friends and family, and may even doubt themselves. Can you really make a living in this trade? Misconceptions about plumbing can be a major hurdle for those interested in pursuing a career. It's not just about fixing leaky faucets, it's about problem solving, critical thinking, and attention to detail. Many people assume plumbers only work on residential projects, but commercial plumbing is a whole different ball game. And let's not forget about the physical demands of the job. Plumbers often work in cramped, dirty conditions. The challenges don't stop there. Plumbers also need to stay up to date on changing regulations and technologies. From water conservation to smart home systems, the trade is constantly evolving. So, what does it take to become a plumber? To start, you'll typically need a high school diploma or equivalent. From there, you'll need to complete an apprenticeship program or vocational training in plumbing. These programs combine classroom instruction with hands-on experience, teaching you the ins and outs of the trade. You'll learn about pipe materials, plumbing codes, and safety protocols. As you progress in your training, you'll need to obtain certifications and licenses to work in your state or locality. This can involve passing exams, completing continuing education courses, and meeting other requirements. But it's not just about the technical skills. Successful plumbers also need strong communication skills, customer service skills, and a willingness to work independently. So, what skills do you need to succeed as a plumber? For starters, you'll need to be comfortable with physical labor and able to work in a variety of environments. You'll also need to be analytical and able to troubleshoot problems. And let's not forget about the importance of customer service. Plumbers often work directly with homeowners and businesses. Meet Jane, a plumber who's been in the trade for over a decade. She started out as an apprentice and worked her way up to become a master plumber. Jane loves the problem-solving aspect of her job and the sense of satisfaction she gets from fixing a difficult issue. She's also proud to be a role model for young women interested in pursuing a career in the trades. Jane's journey wasn't without its challenges. She faced skepticism from some of her friends and family, and had to work hard to prove herself. But she persevered and found a sense of fulfillment in her work. Today, she's a leader in her field and is passionate about promoting the value of a career in plumbing. Jane's story is just one example of the many rewarding careers available in plumbing. As you consider your own career path, don't overlook the opportunities in this field. In conclusion, becoming a plumber requires a combination of education, training, and hands-on experience. It's a challenging but rewarding career that offers opportunities for growth and advancement. So, if you're interested in a career that's both in demand and fulfilling, consider exploring the world of plumbing. If you've got thoughts on plumbing careers or know someone who's a plumber, share your stories in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about skilled trades, be sure to check out our next video on the subject.